File battles over data centers here in Kentucky recently lead to a meeting tonight of residents in West Louisville who already see one being built near their homes. It is our top story for you here on the night team. Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us. I'm Doug Proffitt. We checked the data center map. It's a resource launched in 2007 used by buyers and sellers of data center services. Kentucky has over 37 data centers with 24 in Louisville alone. There are smaller data centers scattered around the city that provide IT infrastructure and data storage to business sectors like healthcare and retail. Now, these centers have significant energy and gas usage compared to residential consumers. However, they cannot compare to the massive data center projects you've been hearing so much about in the news lately. WHS 1119's Alex Dieterer covers the new concern from a group of West Louisville residents.
I live in Rubbertown, and we've already got a whole host of problems.
Kentucky's first hyperscale data center is under construction on Campground Road, expected to cover these 157 acres near Rubbertown. Rubbertown residents are left with questions and concerns that U of L Assistant Professor Dr. Natasha DeJarnette helped address through a West Jefferson County Community Task Force meeting.
So people care very deeply about how the presence of data centers in their communities will affect not only their lives, but the lives of their children.
But data centers are not a new concept. Right now, there are at least 24 just in Louisville.
They've been an extra floor or an extra building attached to a hospital or to a bank, and nobody noticed them because they were doing great things for us, but they didn't require massive amounts of energy and of land.
U of L toxicologist Dr. David Hines said the rise in these massive data centers is due to the rapid increase of artificial intelligence.
It can provide increased tax revenue to states and counties, and increasingly the artificial intelligence that makes our life much easier.
While on the flip side, the energy used by data centers can have adverse impacts on air pollution, which can lead to heart and lung complications and diabetes. Studies show that industrial pollution in Rubbertown already contributes to health disparities in the area.
It should not further add to areas that are already burdened when it comes to air quality and health outcomes.
For some communities that are becoming the host to the centers, they say the benefits don't outweigh the risks.
Did anybody ask AI what would be the best place to position the data center to have the least impact on society?
Essentially, Google said to locate them away from people. That's a quote of Google.
A growing conversation surrounding data centers that seem to be here to stay. In Louisville, Alex Dieterer, the WHS 11 Night Team, on your side.
Louisville Metro Council member Marcus Winkler has proposed a data center moratorium, a hold right now in the city. The moratorium would not impact any current data centers that are under construction, like the one we just showed you on Campground Road. The Metro Council did not vote, and they instead tabled the moratorium proposal, and that happened earlier today.